Hi, this is Evan, and today I'm going to show you another tech tip using Google Chrome. So we've covered a few different things in this series of videos. We covered how to have Google Chrome open up a specific set of tabs. We covered how to use the Pin All Tabs extension to pin all of your tabs to the left side of the screen. Today we're going to be looking at different profiles and how to sign into different profiles and how to create these desktop icons for each of those profiles. Now, if you're like me, you have a Google profile for work. I work in a public school district that uses Google for email and calendars and Google Drive and all that stuff. So I have a profile set up for my work. I also use a personal Gmail account in Google Calendar and Google Drive. So I have that here, and then I have a few other ones. You can see I have a demo one and then a demo student one that I use for some things in my district. So I want to show you today how to get that set up and how to get these icons to show up on your desktop in Windows 10. So I'm going to open up this personal Google Chrome here, and we're going to go over here to your profile picture. And let me move my video screen out of the way here so we can see that a little more clearly. When I click on this, you can see all of those different users that I have on my desktop. They also exist here. So I have that demo account. I have it labeled Evan here. Also my work account, and then that student demo account. I could also browse as a guest, but what I want to do is I want to click Add. So I can click Add, and let's say that I want to have a profile for my wife. Let's say that she wants to be able to use my computer to browse Google Chrome, but I don't want her to mess with my bookmarks, my browsing history, anything like that. I can set up a profile for her. So I'm going to select an icon for her, and it's important that you select this box right here, create a desktop shortcut for this user. And then I can click Add. And now what's going to happen is it's going to open up a brand new, unsigned in, not logged into any account profile. And what you could do is you can turn on sync, and you can sign into any Google Chrome account, Google account that you would like. So my wife also is a teacher, so she would have her work email account that she could sign in with, or she also has a personal Gmail account that she could sign in with. Either way, she can sign in. Once she signs in and syncs, clicks that Turn Sync On button, all of her bookmarks will show up, her browsing history will be pulled over, autofills for passwords, things like that, all of that will come over. And now we can see as well that, let's see if we can find the icon here. Here it is. I have a new icon that says wife. So when she comes to use my computer for whatever reason, she can click on wife. It will bring her right to her own profile and everything, and she won't have any access to any of my stuff unless she were to open these. But this is just a great way to either split up your work life and your personal life into different sides, or to allow different people who are using the same machine to have those different profiles set up and to be able to quickly grab those and open up Google Chrome. So I hope this was helpful for you, and we'll be back with another video soon. Thanks.